Carroll Stream Motor Company is a proud seller of Husqvarna lawn care products. One of their many powerhouses in our inventory is the Husqvarna 336 LIC battery-powered trimmer. This is a quiet, lightweight, perfectly balanced, and easy-to-use trimmer. It features a low-noise brushless motor, excellent ergonomics, a dual-cord tap-and-go trimmer head, and a fully adjustable handle with an intuitive keypad and safety grip. The battery and charger are sold separately, so give us a call today at 888-208-2088 and ask us which of these highly versatile batteries would best fit your Husqvarna product. For full stock listings and prices, visit carrollstream.com.